May. I'll be at Round the Clock Trader this afternoon from about 3:30 or thereabouts, so it'd be good to see some of you there. Thought I'd start with gold this morning. This is the daily chart. This is the 200-day moving average. I said that we might find support around 1240, 1250. Gone a bit lower than that. We'll look at the pattern in a minute. The key support level is around the 1200 level. Right, this level here. Acceptance below there would be bad news. So let's have a look at the pattern in the shorter term action. Right, my wave count here is we've got an A. Let me start again. A, B, C, A wave, B wave. And we've got clear 5 waves down to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 to there. This counts as a wave 4. So there's a good case that one more new low here could see the end of this this fall. That a decent rally might develop either from around 1220 or maybe from around 1200, which is of course the key support level. I mean, this is wave 1 as I'm counting it. That was about $20. So $20 off there would take us down to 1216. So a spike low below 1220 might be a great buying opportunity next week. Right, on silver, the key support level is around 1600, which is around this level here, or precisely at that level there. So we're coming down to test that also. Let's go down to the hourly. Right, not too much to read from this, just a steep 45-degree angle on this particular chart. We have a bit of a bounce from here, almost the biggest bounce I've seen, I guess, not quite as big as that one, but getting close. So we've got some support around 1620. Again, it could be the final move, but no sign of that at all. But the pattern on gold is more encouraging, I think. Right, FTSE, my count has been A, B, C, 1, 2. A bit of a breakthrough now, so that's encouraging for the UK market. Not a very clear pattern, but it could be a 1, 2, 1, 2 with a third developing. We had the French election this weekend. As you know, I bet for Brexit, I then bet for Trump. I'm now betting for Le Pen, and third time lucky for the establishment, I think. They lost the first 2 times, but I think Le Pen has little chance. If she does get in, then I think we're going to see a major reversal come next week, come Monday. Gold, silver will probably shoot up, and the equity will probably shoot down. However, I think that's unlikely. A victory by the other guy, whose name eludes me, is what it's expected. Already we're seeing markets move up on that expectation, so we could see selling on the news, or we could see more upside. But I would say that as long as the election result goes as expected, next week should be at least mildly positive, if not stronger than that. But certainly this breakthrough here is good news for FTSE. Well, I've been saying for a while that Germany looked positive. We had this sort of corrective drift down, then we had this spike below 12,000. I count this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 could be due here, and then the final 5th wave of some sort. Doesn't mean to say it's a terminal 5th wave, but we are in dizzying territory right now. Alright, the Dow, we've seen this 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally got some action here. 1, 2, 3. Still not made new highs, but I think that they'll come in next week probably. High above there would be a 5th wave. So again, we'll be due for some kind of correction coming in, but looks like we've got some early upside first. Alright, finally we mentioned on Bitcoin this morning. I got in around here, around 700. It wasn't a call as such, I just bought some and told you I bought some back then. So it's getting on for my 6 month anniversary, and Bitcoin has now comfortably doubled. It's about 120% up, I think. As far as the move from here is concerned, obviously got quite a decent ABC correction there. 1, 2, 3. 3 may be peaking, but I think we're going to have a 4 and a 5. I would think 2,000 is quite likely before this move is completely over. How much further Bitcoin might go rather depends on how many people have yet to get involved. One of the things I plan to do when I'm talking today at Round the Clock Trader is to take a poll of how many people in the audience are actually either interested or have Bitcoin. The smaller that number, the bigger the potential for this market to just keep on going, and all the smaller coins are are bouncing. Not all of them. There are some which you don't want to touch with a barge pole. But I bought about 6 other cryptos recently. One of which is Dogecoin. I've got over 1 million Dogecoin. They're very cheap, so there's not an expensive outlay. They doubled in a week. Ether, Litecoin are all experiencing good rallies, possibly partly because Agora has been promoting it very aggressively. And these are quite small markets. I mean, Bitcoin I think is a 25 billion size market, so as I understand it, the currency of that's equivalent to the currency of a small country. And the smaller ones are even smaller, so when you get a big campaign from someone like Agora into a market like this, then it's going to have that kind of effect, and it will continue to have that effect as more people get involved, more people see the thing bumping up, which is typical bull market stuff, generates that sort of enthusiasm and mania maybe, and when you see the mania, when everyone's involved, then of course that's the time to start bailing out. As you know, I got involved with mining shares, and the mining shares just keep churning out Bitcoin, and they seem unaffected by the actual rise in the price. So in fact the price of the mining shares at $3,500 is now much enhanced, in the sense that I'm now getting Bitcoin at double the value they were when I bought them, which is a bonus. As I say, I'm always happy to discuss these things, so please feel free to get in touch. Not today, as it's a very, very busy day, but send me an email and happy to have a chat. Right, I think I'll call it a day on that point. Hope to see some of you later on. I hope you found that interesting and useful. I'm back with the report on Tuesday morning for subscribers. Have a great day, and bye for now.